Hey, hi. Today we're going to look at this app called AR Drawing, Sketch, and Paint. Imagine if your phone could turn into a magical tracing projector. This is what exactly this app does. Okay, we're going to try to see the cool features in this app and we're going to try to do something. Okay, it is made to help you draw anything you want on a real paper, even if you don't know how to draw it. Okay, that is why actually people use this app. It does it in three simple ways. First, we're going to see you're going to choose a picture. So let me try to go back to the start of this app. Okay, after installing the app, it looks like this. Let me try to put it in field view. So I can say it works in three super simple ways. First, you choose a photo. Okay, you can upload your illustration. It can be a real photo. It can be anything. You upload a photo from here. You open the app and pick a photo you want to draw. You can choose a cartoon elephant, a funny meme, or even a picture you took yourself. And you click on upload. We're going to see. Now, step number two, you put your phone on a stand, maybe a stack of books or a tall glass so that your camera is pointing straight down at a blank sheet of real paper on your desk. Then part three, when you look at your phone screen, you will see your paper and a see-through outline of the picture fronting right on top of it. You just put your hand under the phone with a real pencil, look at the screen and trace over the lines. When you lift your phone up, boom, you just drew a perfect picture on your paper. So we're going to really look at the features which are in this app, what they do. We're just going to look at the three main features, two or three main features, which you definitely have to use when you're using this app. So here up, there is upload your illustration. Okay, and this feature allows users to take any image from their phone's gallery, whether it's a portrait of a friend or a logo or a custom graphic, and instantly turn into a transparent tracing template. So when you click here, you can try to upload any picture that you want. Let me try to upload which picture. Let me just try to upload my picture there. Okay, something like that. So here they will say select your drawing mode. You can draw with the camera. Use a tripod, a glass, or a stack of books to hold your phone in place while you draw, or you can draw with a screen. I think for me, I prefer with a screen. Then you click on continue. What did you upload? Is it a photo or it's a picture? I think it's a photo. What's the style of your image? It's selfie landscape object. I think, let me just say landscape. Okay. So this is how things work. I'm using a free version, okay, guys. And usually, if it's a free time, the app will kind of bring options for you to pay. But if you're not ready to put in your card, you can just click on the cross button on your top right, then you can proceed. So this is how you can. This is how you do it. Let me first try to exit. Okay. So the app provides also stock images. This upload button is where the real creative freedom is. However, sometimes when you upload, actually most cases when you upload, they will tell you to kind of pay something, but you can try to cross that. Okay, there's also the create AI image, text to sketch. This feature just below the upload button here. If a user if you don't have a picture to draw, and you don't want to go searching on Google, you can simply text, you can come up with a text prompt, maybe a cute cow or a puppy, and a built-in AI will generate a custom sketch tailored for tracing. It completely removes creative block. Okay, so you can just say, can just define what you want. Okay, so for that, people, I think is a what image do you want to generate? Okay, so you can try to define there, whatever you want. Okay, so let me go. So this option, you use it when you really don't have an image to upload and you just want to use an AI picture for reference. Okay, so they also have templates here. I'm seeing an autonomy, meme for kids, cute animals. The app comes with pre-packaged templates with hundreds of ready-to-go sketches divided into different difficulty levels and themes. It makes the app highly accessible for absolute beginners or parents looking for quick coloring or drawing sheets for maybe for your young bro or for your kid or so, all that stuff. So basically the app, that's what you're going to expect in the app. You can try to use it for free, though most of the features are locked up um, when you don't have the premium. Okay, the AI text to image generator and the built-in it really makes it really easier to use. Okay, here in the middle there is also AR drawing lessons, AR text scaling, upload photo. Here we have a profile. So basically that's it. That's what you're going to find in this app. And let me know what you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video useful, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.